Warm up asanas are important and necessary before start of Surya Namaskar. Counter asanas are equally important to unwind the body back to its normal state and also to prevent injuries. Practice these postures before and after Surya Namaskar. Namaskar. Let's begin with our warm up. Griva Sanchalan. Interlock your fingers behind your back like this. Inhaling, gently look up. Put your head back. Hold your breath. Exhaling, relax. Look straight. Repeat it thrice. Second variation. Inhale while exhaling, turn your head right. Hold your breath. Push your shoulders back. Again inhale while exhaling to the other side. Hold your breath. Inhale, exhaling, relax. Third variation. Inhale, gently look up. Exhaling, bring your ear to the shoulder. Repeat. Inhale, take your head back. Hold your breath. Exhaling, bring your ear to the shoulder. Repeat all the variations thrice. Next warm up is Sakand Chakra Asana. Place your fingers on your shoulders. Inhaling, lift your shoulders up. Head straight, hold your breath. Arms touching the ears. Exhale and make a big circle, bringing your arms down. Repeat it thrice clockwise and anti-clockwise. Third warm up, Parvat Asana. Inhaling, raise your arms upward. Interlock your fingers. Stretch your arms up and stay on your toes. Breathe normally. Inhale deep, exhaling, bring your arms sideways and relax. The fourth warm up, Trikona Asana. Legs are kept shoulder width apart. Raise your right arm up, arm touching your ear, and bend sideways while exhaling. Practice normal breathing. Inhaling, release the posture. Exhaling, bring your other arm and repeat the same the other side for 1 minute. The fifth warm up, Utkatasana. Keep your legs apart, heels inward, toes out, hands in salutation. Exhaling, sit down. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, come to the sitting position. Inhaling, come up. Repeat the same 5 to 10 times, keeping your back straight and heels touching the floor. The sixth warm up, Uttita Trikona Asana. Take your legs apart and now turn your right foot to the right side. Inhale, raise your arm on the side. Place the left hand on your waist, right hand on the right knee. Gently slide it down, pushing your shoulders back and reaching your hand up to the floor. Inhaling, release the posture and repeat the same the other side. Back should be straight and keep breathing normally. Seventh warm up, Kati Chakra Asana. Inhaling, raise your arms sideways. Exhaling, turn towards your left. Place one hand on the shoulder, other hand on your waist. Normal breathing. Inhaling, release your arms sideways. Exhaling, turn to the side. Repeat the same breathing normally. Let's begin with our Surya Namaskar. Hands in salutation. Inhale, raise your arms, stretch your arms in upward direction and push your hips forward. Exhaling, bend forward. Place your palms down and stretch your spine if you don't have any discomfort in your back or neck. Inhaling, take your right leg back. Place your palms behind your foot, chin up, back straight. Exhaling, take your other leg back. The back should not sink. Place your knees down and drop your chest. Inhaling gently, place your chin up, chest up. Push your shoulders back, thighs downwards. Exhaling, try to press your heels down and head towards the floor. From the mountain posture, bring the foot directly in between your hands. Bring your other leg forward, holding your toes and stretch. Normal breathing, exhale and relax. Counter postures after Surya Namaskar practice. Chakra Asana. Practice normal breathing. Hold this posture for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Feel the stretch in your abdomen muscle, chest and the armpit. This counter posture after your Surya Namaskar is excellent for your lower back pains, pain in your knees or legs. Sit in Vajrasana, inhaling, come on your knees, legs are shoulder width apart and on your toes, hands on your waist. Gently push your hips forward, keeping one hand at a time on your heel, starting with your right and then your left hand on your heel. Relax. Now, with both the hands together, inhale, push your hips forward, shoulders back, both the hands on the heels. Start pushing your hips forward. Relax and sit in Vajra Asana. Now let's begin with Sahaj Hasta Bhujanga Asana. From mountain pose, come to a full plank, knees down, chest down. Bring your elbows close to each other, chin raised up. Hold this posture for 1 to 2 minutes with normal breathing. Relax, arms folded in front of your forehead. Next posture is Sarp Asana. Keep your arms parallel to each other. Inhale gently, raise your elbows up. Your navel touching the floor. Normal breathing. Hold the posture for 1 minute. Inhale while exhaling, release the posture and relax. Now hands beside your shoulders. Inhaling gently, raise your chin up. chest up. Come on your knees gently, relax in child pose. We'll now begin with Yoga Nidra practice. Use wall as a prop. Sit close to the wall, facing the wall. Lie down on your back and stretch your legs on the wall. Legs can be kept crossed or apart. Hands on your abdomen. Close your eyes and relax for 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.